Hey y'all, Trev here from Monthly Missions YouTube World. Thanks everybody for subscribing. I'm in Niagara Falls right now, about to explore the area. I've never been here before. I got in late last night with this car. Beautiful, beautiful car. Maserati Levante. Levante apparently in Italian means the wind, the blowing wind. I have this car for the next few days. It's just gorgeous, beautiful car. So, as you can see in the background in Niagara Falls, and it is freaking cold out. It's minus 25, minus 30 easy. I'm just frozen right now. So let's get in the car. So what I bought was this thing here to attach my phone to. Looks pretty darn good. apparently there's a place here, an inn, called the Angel Inn, and it's haunted. I'd like to film it. Oh, I see a roller coaster. It's obviously shut down right now. Neat. Oh, this is really neat. Okay, this is downtown, looks like. Yeah, this Maserati has heated steering wheel, heated seats, massaging seats. Feels really good right now, especially with it being like minus 25, minus 30 right now. Oh, look at all the little restaurants. All the little tourist traps. This is cool. Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. Hopefully everybody can hear me. So at some point, very shortly, I'm going to do the UE. Looks like we're running out of businesses. Falls View Casino, I've heard of. It's to the left, according to the sign. What the heck? There's some sort of a oil tower, Eiffel Tower up here. Oh, those are electrical towers, by the looks of it. Hopefully everybody can see everything. So I've got to do the Huey. It looks like they have their own transit system here too, which is great. Oh, perfect. Beautiful area though. And it's clear today. It's mighty cold, but it's clear. It was snowing when I got in last night. I believe today is January 31st, 2026. Gas prices here are $1.19 Canadian a liter. That's just for regular gas. Oh shit. Getting pulled over. too bad, thanks.
Reason for the stop: the vehicle's coming back is not possibly insured. Do you have your driver's license?
Are you serious? It's a rental.
Okay.
Through Turo.
Okay. What's Turo?
Turo is an app. Turo is a rental app.
Okay.
Wow, not possibly insured. Okay, so let me get all my information.
Where did you rent the vehicle from?
Toronto.
Toronto?
I gotta take off my seatbelt. Okay?
Yeah, no worries.
I was recording. I've never been here before. I was recording, so I'm just gonna shut this down.